Hello guys, welcome back to KinspireTech. So do you open the same apps every time you turn on your PC? What if I told you they could all start automatically without you lifting a finger? Welcome to KinspireTech, where we share practical tips that makes your tech life easier. Let's dive in. Alright, what if we have an app that I want to open every time I come online? Let's say WhatsApp. Now, anytime I come online, I have to click on WhatsApp for it to come up by itself, but there's a way we can actually do it, which means when we turn on our computer, that app comes up automatically without us clicking on it. So how do we go about that? It's simple. First up, we press Windows R on your keyboard and you have something like this. Then you type share semicolon start up, then you press enter. Here you can see the startup folder is empty. So any app I drag and drop here opens immediately we turn on our computer. So for this case, I'll be using Microsoft Edge. So if I drag Microsoft Edge app, let's go over to apps and let's say Copilot. If I drag Copilot and drop here, now you can see Copilot is here. When we start up our computer, it turns on automatically. So I will also pick another app I would like to come up immediately I turn on my computer. Let's say to-do list. I'll drag it, drop here. So this folder startup has all these apps. So what we just need to do is restart the computer and you will see this app come up automatically. All right, time to restart our computer. Be careful not to overload it with a lot of apps, because if you overload it with heavy apps, it tends to slow down the time your system takes to come up. So let's restart and see the magic happen. So we'll restart and see the magic happen. You can see the app is turning up by itself. You can see to-do list comes up by itself. I then click on it and we wait for Copilot to come up by itself. So you can see it's actually here and Copilot is up. So you see it works. So what you just need to do is press your Windows key, Windows R, and you have your startup, shell.startup. You press OK and you have the folder here. You can just drag the app and drop in your folder, and there you have it. I would like to know, which app would you set to start up automatically? Is it Chrome, Spotify, or VS Code? Let me know in the comments. If you like this video, I think it's time you save it, and if this saved your time, share it with a friend who wastes minutes opening apps manually. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to KinspireTech for more Windows hacks and tech tips you can actually use, and see you in the next video.